Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell about data query language commands and also some of the operators which we were using in this SQL. First I'm going to tell about data query language command, that is select. This plays a major role in this SQL commands. For this syntax is select. Here, if we select a star, it's going to get okay, first I will tell syntax. Select star from table name. Here, if we give star, it will select all the columns in the table. But if we specify only some columns, it will take that columns only. So now I am going to tell some examples. Uh, First, I'm going to, here we don't have any tables in this database. So I'm going to create a table. Create table. I'm taking some table called people. Remember ID. For this, I'm taking integer data type. Next one is name. For this, I'm taking some varchar data type. In this, I am going to specify 50 characters, which we can enter 50 characters in this name column. Next one is phone number. For this, I am giving integer data type. See, now table has been created, right? If we select, as I told before, when we select star from a table, it will select all the columns, right? So here I'm selecting star from people. See here, columns has been created. ID, name, and phone number columns has been created. For this, I'm giving data. I'm giving data to these columns. So insert into table name people. Values of first we have to specify ID that I'm giving 3 comma a character where character name, that is I'm specifying some name Priya. Phone number. For this I have specified some phone number. In the same way I'm giving one more data. See here I have taken 3 values, right? I am inserting 3 values to this table. Okay, here we have to specify one. three values has been inserted. So I'm printing all this one. See, we have created one table with 3 rows. Next, in this for this select, we can select columns also, right? How can we select means select space column name. Syntax for selecting the columns is select column name from table name. In this way, we can select columns. Now, I'm going to select one column, that is, I'm going to select name. Select name from what was the table name? People. Okay. See, we can display only name because we specified the column name, right? That is name. It will search the column where the column name was name, and it will be displayed. Okay, in this way we can specify. We can add alias, that is another name to this column, and we can use this column also. That is we can add a duplicate name to this column. In which one is select id as we can specify another name to this duplicate name to this column by using as, that is alias name, as some serial number. In this way we can specify alias name to this column also, or we can specify table name also. Another name to this table also. Select table name. What was the table name? People. As some other table name, student. In further comments, if we use further comments, in this command, we can use this student table name instead of people also. Okay, we can use this student name. While telling about this operators, I will tell this alias also. Just I am giving the overview of this alias. Next, I want to tell some operators. Later, I will combine that operators with these commands, with the select command. So first one is I want to tell about comparison operator. In this SQL, we have comparison operators, arithmetic operators, and logical operators, and also some other operators which we use in SQL. First, I want to tell about arithmetic operators. In this, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. These arithmetic operators will work in the same way which we use in other languages also. So, okay, now I will give, see, select 3 plus 5. See here. We selected 3 plus 5. It will take some value, that is 3 plus 5 what? 8. It's going to select 8 value as column. Okay. In this way we can take these arithmetic operators in SQL. So next one is comparison operators, that is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, is equal to, or not equal to. These are the comparison operators. These comparison operators we can use to compare the values. I will tell some examples. Select name from people where name is equal to, what was the value, name value. I'm taking Rohan. Okay. I will run this command. See here. It will select a name column from people table where name is equal to, it will search for the name which we have. Okay. Name is equal to Rohan. So it will print the name column which where name will be equal to Rohan. Okay. Now in the same way I will take greater than also. I will compare this ID which will be greater than 5, and I want to print this one, this IDs. Select ID from people where ID greater than or equal to 5, right? First, see here we got 5 and 7, right? If we select not ID, if we select star from people, see we get all the columns, because if we select ID, it will take only IDs only. It will, if we select star where ID greater than or equal to 5, it's going to check the column, ID column, and it is going to check if whether the ID is greater than or equal to 5 or not. Here we have 3, it's not greater than or equal to 5, so it will skip. Here we have 5, so it will take a 5, and it's going to print all the columns, that is we selected star, right? So it's going to get all the columns as an output. And also next it's going to check the column, third row. Here we have column ID as 7, right? So it's greater than or equal to 5. It's going to print all the columns. And this way we are going to use comparison operators. And next one is logical operators, that is and, or, not, in, between, like, etc. We have all this one. And, or, not, between, like, we have some other operators also. And I will tell those operators while we are practicing commands. Now I'm going to tell about AND operator. This AND operator will get a true if the operands if all the conditions which were present in between AND operator will get true. That is, if we mention two conditions in between, if we mention AND operator, if both the conditions will get true, it will get true. Okay, we have some truth tables for this AND or not operators. I have discussed those in JavaScript. I, I have mentioned all those operators in that JavaScript program. All those were in our channel. If you want, I will mention the link for that video. Go through that video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will give reply to you. So for this AND operator, see here, if we have both the values are 0, that is false and false. So if we have both the values as true, that is both the values have true, we will get output as true. Output as true. If we have any one of the value in conditions is false, it will get false only. Like the same way, OR operator means if we have any of the value, if we have any of the value true, it will get true. Okay, if we have both the values as false, then only it will get a false value. So now I'm going to tell about between operator. It will get a true value if the operand within between the range which we specify. That is, okay, I will take some where I will tell this example only, idea example, where star from people, not where, select where id between 5 and 7. I will specify 4 and 8 because it has to include both the 5 and 7, right? So I have taken 4 and 8. See, we got same values, right? Because we specified here 4 and 8. Here I have taken two operators. See, here I have mentioned between and also and. Here it is going to check the IDs which were between 4 and 8. Here it's going to check 4 if the value is 4 between 4 and 8, right? 5 is in between 4 and 8, right? Between 4 and 8 means what? Here it includes 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So in between 4 and 8 means it will include 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's going to check the IDs. Here we have 3, no. Here we have 5, yes. Here we have 7. These 2 rows will be going to print here. If I have taken 6 here, see only we got 7 because 5 is not included in between 6 and 8, right? So it's going to exclude that values. Next one is like operator. True, it will get a true if operands matches a pattern. We are going to use this like operator for to check patterns in SQL. Now I want to check whether the name begins with H. We have to check whether the name begins with H. If we have any name which will be started with H, we have to print those row. So here, so I'm selecting select star from people where name. Here we have to specify like quotes. In this, we have to mention what was the letter. We have to check. Here we have to check the name starts with H or not, right? H percentage. In this way, we have to check. See here, we have honey. The name starts with H, right? If we want to check whether the name ends with what A, right? Whether the name ends with A or not, we have to check. Then we have to specify percentage. After that, we have to specify that alphabet A. See, we have Priya. That's the name which were ending with A. So I have printed the values of that Priya information, right? In this way, we have some more operators in SQL. I will discuss in later in another videos. That's all about today. In next video, I will discuss some more operators and I will discuss about case statement. Thank you.